we're going to do a quick tutorial, and this is just going to be going over the Discombobulator. So let's get into it. First, we're going to have to go up to the edit, go to preferences, and we're going to search for the Discombobulator. Once we've done that, we're going to make sure that we've ticked it on. Then we'll go out of this. Now, we're going to go ahead and delete everything in the scene. Once we've done that, we're going to go Shift A, and we're going to add in anything. Let's just go with Taurus. And what you're going to do is you're going to go Shift A again, and you'll see down here it says Discombobulator. So you're going to click on it. Then it's going to bring up this. I'm just going to click OK, and then as you've seen, it's just brought this whole thing up. And down at the bottom, you've still got the control panel, so you're going to click on it. Now, we're going to get over these settings now. So, this is the minimum height of one of these, or all of these. So, and this would be the maximum height. So, for this, we're just going to go 0.1 for the maximum height of all of these. And these have all gone quite small. And the minimum height is going to be 0. The reason why they've just gone down even smaller is because the minimum height was 0.2. So, kind of broke it. And we're going to do the same for this. And then we're going to talk over these in a second. So we're going to go 0 for the minimum taper, and 0.1 for the maximum taper. So the taper should be pretty self-explanatory. It is how much taper you get on each of these. So if you brought the taper all the way up, as you see, all of these are kind of beginning to taper up. And as you bring them down, you bring them all the way out like this, and then you have no taper. Now, we've got these. Let's start by unticking all of them. If you untick it, you basically break it, so don't untick it. As you start with one, it just adds an even more random kind of effect. So the more you bring, the higher the number goes up, the more random. You can also just mix and match, so you can have it like this, like that if you just wanted. So 4 is the most crazy, and 1 is probably the most chilled out. Then, repeat protrusions. I can't stress this enough. Don't go above 3 unless you want to wait for like 5 hours, because I had to close the app. It had crashed my computer. Anyways, so repeat protrusions. This would just be all of these little bumps that we see here. If we built all of these bumps on top of all of these bumps, I guess, like so. I'll just do up to 2. As you can see, it takes a while, but that's because I'm still using my old computer. Right, now you've seen, it's now loaded back, and we have loads and loads and loads of them. So there we go. Alright, for this sake, we're just going to bring it back down to 1. And then we're just going to click off, so it's done. So there we go. There is our little sci-fi looking thing. Also, you can delete the Taurus, and you'd still be left with this outer shell, which is this discombobulated mesh. But let's delete everything, and we're going to show you another thing. And this is going to be a cube. What we're going to do is we're going to go in tab, go to face select, and what we're going to do is we're going to select, we're going to go and get the loop cut and loop cut it. Then we're going to go face select, and up here I'm going to click on this face, and we're going to click on the opposite opposing face, I guess. And then we're going to go over to here, and go individual origins and go E. I'm just going to bring it out like that. Then what we're going to do is going to go Control A and apply scale. And finally what we're going to do is we're going to scale this right down, really small, and go Control A and apply scale. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go G and move it on the x-axis. Doesn't really matter where you put it, just make sure it's out the way. And finally guys, what we're going to do is we're going to go click on this, and we're going to go Shift A to the Discombobulator, and we're just going to go use doodads, and we're going to go pick doodad, and then it says save the cube. And just go OK. And as you've seen, all the doodads are gone like there. But we didn't want that. We just wanted this cube. The doodads function is pretty weird. This is the only way I've already found out how to use it at the moment. Now let's go and add in our cube. We're going to move this out the way, and we're going to scale this cube up and go Control A and apply scale. Then we're going to go Shift A, add in this Discombobulator. We're going to use doodads, and we're going to take this down to the one over here. And as you've seen, it's only put a few of these here. So if we brought this up, then each face we get a subdivision kind of, and it's also adding more doodads, but we want to have more, so you can just bring up the number and bring these up. So guys, this is just a quick video. I hope this helped. If it did, drop a like. If it didn't, drop a dislike, share, subscribe. Really does help out guys. And also, thank you so much for 50 subs. Until then guys, I'll see you in the next one.